Yo, what's up? I just had an amazing workout. It was really good, guys. And I started this channel that I wanted to share with you. It's called John's Garage Workouts. John's Garage on YouTube, John's Garage Workouts on Instagram. The channel is not just for guys that want to lift weights, okay? It's for men, it's for women, it's for anybody that has a goal in fitness, okay? Whether you want to lose fat, whether you want to have a cardio workout, whether you want to have a muscular endurance workout. You know, all of these workouts are going to be in John's Garage. We're going to be targeting upper body, lower body. We're going to be targeting neglected parts of the body. So check me out, John's Garage Workouts on Instagram, John's Garage on YouTube. See you in John's Garage so we can level up together. Check it out. Here's a preview. I want you to work out. I want you to set yourself up for success. It all starts right here, right in the mind. Once you see yourself doing it, you can make it habitual once you do these things 3 to 4 times a week. You need to do it. Even when you don't want to do it, that's the best time to go out and do it so we can level up together. John's Garage is about working out. It's about pushing yourself to the next level, meeting your goals and accomplishing your goals and going to the next level. We don't want to plateau. We want to always go up in everything that we do. We can start right now. We can start right now together. Check out this channel. It's John's Garage Workouts on Instagram. John's Garage Workouts on Instagram. Go ahead and look me up. Subscribe, okay? Subscribe and follow me. Take it easy and I'll see you in the gym in John's Garage.